All right, good morning, y'all. Hey, your girl got 900 followers. Your girl got 900 followers. All right, y'all, we so close to 1K. I just want to hop in hashtag mini Monday, right? Styles that take 5 minutes or less. If you got locks, you like me, let's do it, okay? So here we go. Boom. And I know I need a retwist. Don't talk about me. We're going to pull it right here at the sides. If your hair is long enough, and baby, I'm barely making it, but here we go. Wrap it back. Uh-oh, I lost one. Wrap it back. And this little baby don't want to stay. And tie. Smooth. And I'm tying it. Guys, she's barely, see how those little stragglers? All right, I'm gonna turn around, just give you a little quick to hop back in and show you guys what it looks like, how you guys can rock this quick style real quickly. I like it because when I want to just pull my hair out my face, I can do that. If I have to step out the house real quick, I can do that, and it's just kind of up and uniform looking. So really quick hairstyle that you can pull off. Even if you have loose hair, you can pull it back and do the same thing. I like this style too because guys can do it as well. So yeah, quick style, hashtag mini Monday. We're here to stay. As long as I can keep coming up with quick hairstyles to put out, I'll do that. If you guys have any ideas, drop it down below. If you have anything you want to see, drop it down below. See if you can do it in 5 minutes or less. I'll be the test. Drop it down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace.